Hello there, welcome to Help Learn Asia. My name is Akash, and this is a module on corporate blogging, where you will learn how to manage your corporate blog. Throughout this module, you will find many related or interactive modules such as viewership and managing your corporate blog. We have covered this because most of the technical aspects of online marketing are best learned through doing rather than reading. So let's get on with this particular topic on viewership. So once you have your blog, it's also important for you to know how many people are actually visiting your blog. It's important for you to understand what kind of traffic is coming in and where are these traffic coming from. So what you need is basically a tool which monitors your traffic, which is more like an analytics tool. So whenever you think of analytics, the first thing that comes to your mind is Google Analytics. So Google Analytics is also supported on WordPress. So other than Google Analytics, we would suggest, if you don't want to get into Google Analytics and you want to keep it very simple, there is WordPress Stats. So there's a plugin called WordPress.com Stats. This will give you some basic idea. It will give you some basic information on how many traffic is coming in, what pages are these people visiting. But it won't give you a detailed version as compared to what Google would give you. So this is like a simple screenshot of how and what kind of data you would get from this particular plugin. Other than that, if you want a bit more advanced as compared to Google Stats, I would suggest you to use Jetpack. This is again by WordPress.com. This would be a much more detailed version as compared to what WordPress Stats would give you. So this is again a similar screenshot showing you what kind of data you can see, but it won't give you so much data as compared to Google Analytics, where you can create funnels, see the flow of traffic, and understand the geography of where the people are coming from or the demographics. So I would say we would suggest you to use Google Analytics, which is the best. In order to do that, we would suggest this plugin called Google Analytics for WordPress. This is a very good plugin. We've tested it out and it has a lot of good reviews. As you can see, it has a very high review as well. So how do you integrate Google Analytics in your blog? So firstly, you need a Google Analytics account. That's very important. We've actually covered Google Analytics in greater details in some of our other modules as well. So just create your Google Analytics account, and you would need your code, the UA code which Google Analytics would provide you. While you create your Google Analytics account, it will show you your UA code, so you can make a note of that. So let me go back here. So first, just go to your WordPress, go to the plugin section and search for the Google Analytics plugin. So there are a lot of plugins with the name of Google Analytics, so make sure you search for this particular one, which is Google Analytics for WordPress. I have this installed in my case. So here it is, Google Analytics for WordPress. Once you have it installed, it's pretty simple. Let me show you how this works. So I'm using the multi-admin, so I have multiple blogs under my WordPress account. So you go to plugins. Actually, it's activated. So you would go to settings and go to Google Analytics. So this particular plugin, once it's activated, it will show it to you under the settings. Here you would see Google Analytics. So there are two ways to authenticate it. You can actually use this method. It uses AO or to authenticate with your Google account. So if you're signed in on the same browser and you click this button, it will take you to Google Analytics. It will make you select which particular analytics account it is. In case you have multiple Google Analytics setups, then it will actually show you. For example, in my case, I have a lot of accounts, Google Analytics set up on different domains under one account. So this plugin would actually help you choose it as well. So this is a simpler way of doing it. If not, you can also do it manually. You just need your UA code. The UA code is in the format UA dash a few numbers dash another number. So this you'll again get it when you actually set up your Google Analytics account. So you can go to your account list and then go to the admin and actually find that out. So that is on the Google Analytics end. Once you've done it, it's very simple. Your site would be integrated with Google Analytics. Let me go back and show you. So you would start seeing some traffic coming in here. If once you've authenticated yourself, this would itself tell you whether your account is active or not. If your account is not active, it will give you an error. So this tool is a very simple tool for you to use in case you want to use Google Analytics for your viewership. Now, why do we suggest Google Analytics? That's because it's a great way for you to not only view the data but also create reports. Google Analytics has a great reporting tool where you can actually create your custom reports based on, let's say you want to know how you want to create a report of how many people are coming from the States at this particular time, or how many people are coming from the United States to your blog via organic search or via using this particular keyword. So it's a great way for you to create reports, monitor everything. And of course, it's important for you to do so because you need to understand how you're getting traffic to your site, and you can then further optimize it to get more traffic. So we suggest you to use Google Analytics, and definitely use this plugin which is called Google Analytics for WordPress. So thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you all at the next lesson for another online marketing class here at Help Learn Asia. Thank you.